a list is given here. I have given you a list here. Say this is the list. Now see here, there are courses, okay, main, and under that there are courses. We have programming, we have database, we have networking, then we have operating system, then we have software engineering. Okay, that is there. Then you can another main category is there, that is called application. In that we have what? Office applications. Okay, and then we have this. We can use little bit inside. Okay, got this? We have what? Office application, graphic designs, and video editing. Now this is your main list. This is your main list. Under that list, actually you have this list. Under courses you have this much list. You have under the courses. Okay. What is the under list? We have programming. We have database. Means we have to create a list for first. Then we have to here put parents. All the parents we have to give an order list. And under that, each category we have to have a sub list. We have to have a sub list. Now means you have to start from UL here. You have to unorder list. You have to top. You have to start the UL. Then this has to be displayed by list command, li command. So what tags we actually use? We have seen in the notes. What tags? Three tags we use. We use OL and we use li. Either there is an option OL use or AL use. With both you can use what? Li. List command. You have to list. We can go and see the notes. Now I have just write some basics for you that we can save the time. Here come, we can come here. Okay? And I have written some program for this program I have created already that can save our time. Now see in program what we have written. We have written, see all these tags first we have written. Head tags completed. Then in body already we have written what? H1 computer courses and applications. Then we have written what? Courses. These two items already written. Okay. And then these are the two main categories. Courses and applications are the two main categories where for computer courses and under these two categories, parent categories, we need to create the list. So to create the list, first come on top and first you do what? Create the parent list. Create the parent list. To create the parent unordered list, so we have to type what? Tag. We have to type what? What? Say UL. Okay, caps. So type UL. Then again close the UL. Okay. In this you have to write the main list, parent list. What is there under the courses? We are under the, because we have closed this before the H2 tag, this application tag. So whatever will come under what? Under the courses. It will come under the, we are already closed before the application tag. The order list, unordered list closed here. So this is not covered in this. This particular have a different list. But this will be just under for courses only. Now first thing what we have to go to the word. We have to check this. What first we have? We have what? Programming. We copy this. Okay, copy this, come here, and then here you can have first list you have to create. To show the as a list, you have to give what? List command. List, sorry. What you can? Li. You have to give what? Li. And then you have to close the Li. And in between two Li's, you have to write what? The list actually. We have to write the, though we have copied this, will delete there, okay, and then this is there. Okay, we have write what? Programming. The first list under courses is what is programming. First we started the what? Unordered list. Now we are listing the items. First item has been listed. What that first item is? What that first item is? Programming. What the first item is? Programming. But now we are bringing the second item. Second item is what? Database. So I can again have to write what? Li. Okay. Then what is database? Then you should type what? What? Because the list, whatever the list is there, na? As many items are there, that can be listed through list command. Li command. Okay. So two items are database. Then we come back to what? Networking. We come back to networking. Li again. And what we can write? networking. Okay, then close the li. Okay, close the li. Then again the fourth list, fourth item is what? Li. We come here and see fourth item is what? Operating system. What is? Operating system. Then we close this li. Very good, Mash. Okay, got it. Then we close it. Then what is the fifth item? Fifth item is software engineering. So we can write what? Li again, and we can write what? Software engineering, and then we can say close li. Software, okay. Okay, so now we can save this program. File, save as. Okay, our programs are written where which folder? HTML programs. We type the name for this program is what? List. Okay, list1 dot HTML. We give the name like list1 dot HTML and we save it. Okay, we save. Then we go to the folder. Here is our folder, and here is our program. Double click on this. This goes under this. We got the list. We got all the list items here. First use here UL we used, under the UL what we have written, all the list items. Now second list we can create here, applications. Okay, we'll come here, go to the program. Okay, then here I don't write what? First you have to start with UL. Okay, first start with UL. Second list we are creating, that is called application list, and that is called UL. Then what we want? We want the list items. We have to we have to have list, and then the list we have to come here again and type which for the list is what? Office applications, okay, graphic designing and video editing. So we can go to Notepad and we can write what? Office applications. Okay, then close the li. Okay, then come here and then write what? Li again, and then write what? Graphic designing, and then close this and write what? Okay, we close this. Then we can, very good. Then we can go back to what is li again, and then what, write? Video editing, and we will close this li. Now second list has been created. Then we go back to the file and we can just refresh it. So this second list has been there now. It is there. Now second list also there. Now in the programming we have one more list. One more items are there. Sub items are there. We have sub items in what? Database. We have sub items where? Into networking also. How those are created now? That is very important. For that you need to go to program. Simple. It is very simple. Go to the programming, and here in the list, this is the area of list. This is the area of programming. This start with list and close with the list. So before closed, programming closed, where the program is getting closed, the list is getting, before that we have to hit enter key. Okay, we have just entered the key, and now this space, now we are writing between this. Now we can write what? Under this we have to write what? Again UL, because we have to create what? Sublist. So we have to write again UL. Okay, and then we can close this here. We can close this UL. Now see, this is closed. Okay, under this UL we have to write what? The list of the programming items. The list of the programming items. What are the list of the programming items? See this here. What are the programming items? We have introduction to programming. Okay, we can come here. We just come here and write what? We can write what? Again in the list, we can go to the list. Okay, li. Then what write? What write? We can write this here like that. Carrying introduction to programming. Okay, we close this here li we close it here. Okay. Now the fourth item is created. Now just I can show you. I'll just try to see that how we can have a proper alignment. We can this ul I just close it. We have to put some space actually, but here there is no option to do the space. Just I'll just put like this, okay? One space to show you. I'll just put the one space to show you proper formatting that will help you out. Okay, where the UL are creating. Okay. You come here and just have this. Okay. And this. Okay, this, that. Here, this is there. Now see, first you have started for courses here and closed where? Correct, here. This is started here and closed here. This is started here and closed here. Then we have the list. Then again we use what? Again we use the UL command. Now see this. Now this will help you out a little bit to understand. Now this main UL is this, okay, which is closed where? Here. But under programming we have started one more UL and then that was closed here. And in this we have list of items for this particular programming. So you have to create list under list, but only using the same tags. UL and LI. That tags are to utilize properly, but you have to be very careful where you are starting the UL and where you are placing the UL command. Now say I have started this, close. Now I come here, I say what? Okay, I say what? Again LI, and then what second apply is there? What is the second one? We have what? Web development fundamentals. We can go to web development fundamentals. Web development fundamentals. Okay, we close this, then say LI. Okay, then we go back and again see what other third item is, and that is called what is data structure and algorithms. We can come here and write what again. Okay, we write here LI, and we can write what data structures and what call it? Okay, these are the programs we have written already. Okay, now so this we have written. Now you just check this. You check this because this list is where we did the mistake. We have written this here actually. We should not write this here, but we should write in there. Okay, it should come here, na? Data structure. So we have to be very careful about this. This and check this. What is this? Okay, and check. Now see this. Under programming we have the sublist. We have the sublist under program. This is the way the list command is used. But very important thing. How do you use UL under UL? First you have to use UL, then list. Then under list you have to use UL. Then under that particular UL you have to use list. That is the way you can create the what? List of items. So this is the basic understanding. You can practice full of this. You can practice this whole document. Okay, you can practice this whole document and you can show me that yes, you can create the list. So this will be your practice session. First create the first program, get the list through this list commands. Okay, we have to practice now. We have to learn whatever we have learned. We need to practice. If there are problems, we are there to help you. We are there to guide you. Don't worry for this. Okay, this is the basic actually how to use the list commands. Understood? So we have seen the definition of list and order list and unordered list, and then we can see more commands later on, and we can see how to format. In next lecture we can try to use the type.